Let me tell you one time. This water is so good. Hey, Pop Tart. Oh my god. Justin Bieber's songs make me so happy. Even my carrot wants to dance. What if I was to suddenly give it to you? Anyway,
Once go to the Justin Bieber concert in Glendale, where you live, you know, but it's sold out. Like, I guess it sold out in like 2 hours within the time they were selling tickets. So that's freaking dumb. I really want to go, but I'm upset, you know. Anyway, it looks better in TV. What was I gonna do? Oh, so I was just thinking about you here, and I was like missing you, you know. So I decided to write you a little something. I'm gonna get more water. I'll be back.
peekaboo.
It is like 3 in the morning, so I hope I don't wake anybody up.
Let's turn on that light. And this one too, because I'm afraid of the dark.
Okie dokie, I'm back.
I love my pillow pet.
Okay, so I'm about to read you something. It says, okay, are you ready? Here's my number, so call me maybe. Alright, that's not it. It's right. Okay. So it says, are you ready? Okay, it says, Dear Yaeli, you are an amazing, beautiful person, and you make me happy within every moment that I'm with you. Every time I'm with you, I just can't get enough of you. You are so nice, and you are so cute, and you're just full of joy. As soon as I look at you, my heart starts to beat. You are really just a joy of a person. And I love you forever. And I want to have you in my life for the rest of my life. You're a person that I do not ever want to let go of. Okay? Also, it says, it says, you're a Pop-Tart. Then, that's my spiel. Anyway, I'm just kidding. It's a blank piece of paper. Anyway, I just thought I would do that to you. Anyway, what was I gonna say? I miss you. I miss you so much, bitch. You break my heart when you're not here with me. Wow, I'm What is that noise? freaking loud people outside my window. Ugh, shut up. I'll throw a Tinkerbell shoe at you. Oh, why am I Tinkerbell shoes right now? Wait, can you see it? Tinkerbell shoes. Yep.
No more. This is done.